Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well in your studies and solving huge amount of mock test, and I know exam is very near. So today's current affair is about the World Migration Report 2024. So let's talk about before wasting any time. So listen, the International Organization for Migration, that is IOM. Remember the full form of IOM, that is International Organization for Migration, launched the World Migration Report 2024, which reveals the significant shift in the global migration pattern, including a record number of the displaced people and a major increase in international remittances. World Migration Report 2024 plays a crucial role in elucidating the complexity of human mobility through evidences-based data and analysis. So let's have a very idea about the International Organization for Migration, that is IOM. Remember the full form of IOM. What is the full form of IOM? International Organization for Migration. Genesis. IOM is a UN agency. Okay, IOM is a UN agency established in which year? 1951. Mandate. It is dedicated to the promoting humane and orderly migrations. Okay, and how many members are there? There are 175 nations, including India. In the era marketed by the uncertainty, understanding migration dynamics is essential for informed decision making and effective policy responses. The World Migration Report shed light on long-standing trend and emerging challenges. Understand? The addressing challenges of the human mobility, the IOM report aims to help dispel myths, provide critical insight, and inspire meaningful action in addressing the challenges and opportunities of the human mobility. Okay, so let's listen the key finding from the World Migration Report 2024. Resiliences of international migrations of remittances amid COVID-19. Okay, the international migration remain a driver of the human development and economic growth. This is highlighted by the approximately 650% increase in international remittances from 2000 to 2022, rising from the US dollar 128 billion to the US dollar 831 billions. Rising from the US dollar 128 billion to the US dollar 831 billion. The growth continued despite prediction from many analysts that remittances would decrease subsequently because of COVID-19. Remittances to low and middle income countries of the 831 billion in remittances, 647 billion were sent by the migrants to low and middle income countries. These remittances can constitute a significant portion of those countries' GDPs, and globally these remittances now surpass foreign direct investment in these countries. So let's see the challenges. Okay, highlighted key finding. The report revealed that while international migration continue to drive human development, challenges persist. Unprecedented level of the displacement, the global population of international migrants stand at approximately 281 millions, while the number of individuals displaced by the conflict, violence, disaster, and other factors increased to the record of the 117 millions. This underscores the pressing need to address displacement crisis urgently. Misinformation and politicization. Most migration is regular, safe, and regionally focused, directly linked to the opportunity and livelihood. At misinformation and politicization have clouded public discourse, necessitating a clear, accurate portrayal of migration dynamics. Hope you like this video. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell so that you cannot miss the upcoming updates.